Hey guys, silverGameOfThrone here, back. So, welcome back to my no bullshit channel. So, I got some feedbacks from you guys, and I want to review them. And also, I want to review some other coins which we didn't touch, right? We didn't touch some other coins like okay, let's see what we talked before and what we didn't touch, right? So first let's see what we talk. So we talk about Bitcoin, we talk about Doge, we talk about Litecoin, right? Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Zcash, Dash, and Bitcoin Gold, right? Last time. And you asked me to review some other coins, which are Digibyte. Okay, let's do it. And also let's do Horizon. Let's do this Raven coin because it was very interesting, right? It was booming very nicely. I personally missed it. And then Monero, right? Let's review these 4 coins, okay? So I think it's ND. I forget to ask you if you have done into a Digibyte. Now that my holding, like when it go under 001, gambling little with it too, but try to square enough over time, where even a little move brings me back pretty decent return. Yeah, so okay, ND, let's talk about this and let's see what people say. Your TA is the best. Yeah, well, they had so many garbages here, you know, always try to remove them. Yeah, because I try to give my perspective on possibilities based on facts. You understand? I'm not in the air. I base on facts. This is a trend. This is a possibility. That's why, you know. No bullshit. Great classic video. Keep it up with no proof. Poof and puff. Yes, we are not poof and puff here. Okay. If you like poof and puff, if you like gambling, okay, you know, just go and gamble. Go casino. You know, I try to be close to reality as more as I can. Okay, I'm not giving you crazy numbers, right? Let's even this Ethereum Classic. There is one guy who always say, "Oh, Ethereum Classic, $1,000." I share with you, you know, but I see much less numbers. Okay, and you know what I think is relevant. I'm sharing with you. Forget it mode. Forget. Oh, this is the smart guy. I am on a set and forget it mode. Frequent buyer or set and good, you know, and don't look at the price. Exactly. This is one of the hardest things for humans. But once you get into this mode, you will be the winner. Right, guys? You know who is the most winner in a crypto? The people who set and forget. This is exactly what I always try to teach you guys. You invest and you do nothing because it's investment. It's 3-4 years, minimum 2 years, guys. If you think, you know, you put here and then in 2-3 months you will be millionaire, this is not for you. Go for poof and puff. Go for this data, creta, beta, you know, lose your money. Maybe win, you know, $1 million. I don't care. But I'm not the one who will tell you, you know, who will share something about bullshit and garbage or casino, okay? We are talking real stuff here. And real stuff, gold, silver, and proof of work. Why proof of work is real stuff? Because it's based on energy, guys. You need to understand, this word is based on energy. If to mine Bitcoin, you need energy, which costs today $10,000, then it costs $10,000 or $15,000. You cannot say it based on nothing. It's the same as a gold. You mean to mine gold, you need energy. You need go and spend, you know, normal energy to mine 1 ounce of gold. It's the same here. It's a mining process, guys. That's why I always say, if it's proof of work, I'm more kind of trust, you know, this, because there is money, there is energy inside this coin. If it's proof of stake, it's nothing. I take 5-10 Chinese or Indian developers. I give them block on chain. They build it for me. That's it. Then I make it like 1 million coins. I sit on these coins. That's it. This is my profit. That's it. There is no mining process. No one to spend energy here. You only pay for people to develop your code. You need to understand, this is very critical, guys. It's a critical mindset. People don't understand, and then people say, oh, invest in XRP. I invest and say, okay, you invested. It was like, but now it's the time to learn, guys. Who behind XRP? Learn it. I don't need to tell you. Go and learn it. Why you need to trust me? They're killing me, you know. People just, you know, has a mindset and don't want to move left and right. They have a mindset, wrongly, you know, set up. And then based on the wrong setup, which was 5 years ago, they don't want to do anything. I'm sorry for you. It's your life, not mine. Great as usual, but don't think the dash is for... Okay, the dash. Okay, let's see the dash. Dash. I think I prepared dash. Okay, dash, yes. So, yeah, so I think what you try to tell me, Mohammed. So, Mohammed, what you try to tell us, that dash is performing the W, right? I kind of agree, you see, because if you look on this, yeah, it may be, you see, they are performing the W, okay? You see? So this is what he tried to sell. And say, and if it indeed will play like a W, then we may, you know, we may come back to the same, okay? This is a possibilities, guys, okay? What I did, I just show you what we have today. But this, you know, this kind of W, it may end up here. Because we see that middle is lower than maybe the last W, maybe we end up here. But it may, you know, go crazy, right? We already see what's going on with Dash. You see, everyone is kind of lagging, but Dash is like, this is what I told you guys. Remember, Dash will overcome Zcash. When people say Dash is the trash, oh, Zcash mantra, you know, people always have mantra. Oh, Zcash is my god, you know. Then I buy Dash. Yeah, I'm always doing opposite what people say. And, you know, this is just so basic, you know, because public is always wrong. If public telling you Dash is the trash and Zcash is my god, you know, I buy Dash. When people will start to tell, oh, Dash is the god and Zcash is garbage, I will do exactly opposite. This is how you make profit, guys, okay? Just remember, guys, if you do an opposite to public, you will be golden, okay? So now I will not be surprised if Dash will make 25% more than Zcash, okay? As a minimum, okay? From 25 to 50%, the same what Zcash did to Dash, okay? And then leverage, remember I teach you. Okay, but it's not a topic today. Yes, but I agree, Dash may do W, okay? So what else we have? Nice, ETC Moon, Dash Digital Trash, you know, Joe, you need to change, you know, your settlement, you know, kind of. Okay, so yeah, so let's do this. So we talk about this ETC, we talk about all these coins. So let's talk LTC, Zcash, Dash, BTG, you know, we talk about this, right? So now we want to talk about a little bit different setup. We talk, okay, by the way, you know, let's say Monero, okay? You know, I'll give you overview of Monero, okay? But before I even start, you know, why I'm not in Monero? First of all, because I'm US based. In US, it's, you know, it's hard to buy Monero. And even you trade it on some exchanges, you know, it's fine. But the problem with Monero, you cannot hold this Monero on a cold wallet. You see, Monero. No, unfortunately, Ledger does not support creating Monero account for this moment. Instead, you can safely create a Ledger Monero account using your device and the Monero you know, I hate GUIs, guys. I'm telling you. I was on this site, crypto.com, okay? The crypto.com. And I lost some money, okay, on crypto.com. It was just, you know, I was thinking it's like same. It was same. Because I cannot keep in a hard wallet. I say, okay, I put in some good kind of good crypto.com. And then one day I came to my account and nothing's there. Zero. You don't believe. It was not a lot of money, but it was, you know, some in beginning. It was like 3-4 years ago. You know, this is when I learned my lesson. And then when I talk to help desk, they say, oh, we are not responsible. You know, you had some virus and probably someone connected to your account. You know, all this bullshit which they usually tell. I am sure it's someone internal from this site, you know, who clean a lot of this account. But how you can prove? You know, you open help desk call and they don't want to support you. Say, it's not our problem. So to keep money on their account, okay, and when you invest into it is like It is their problem, right? If you invest, okay, we will help you. But when money gone, they say, no, no, we are not responsible. It's your problem now. You understand? This is why I hate all this, you know, GUI, exchanges, because there is no one. It's not a bank, guys. It's not a bank. It's no, you know, no one behind all this crap. It's all piece of crap, guys. They will make a nice face, but then if something happens, they're not going to support you guys, okay? So Monero don't have a, you know, hardware wallet. So what I do, you know, this is what just sharing to you. Okay, Monero. So let's see where we are with Monero. So same what I did, you know, the trend is up. It's very clear, the trend is up. So this kind of a line when it has support, but, and this was the top, but now, you know, it's coming to the end somewhere in the, you know, it's already come to the end, you see, I mean, here. So now we have kind of two lines, this line into this line. Okay, let's say it will recover, okay? Let's say it will recover. Right now it's like 150 bucks because Bitcoin in a bear market. Let's say it will recover and this line will support. If this line will support, I put line here, end of 2023, and what I see here, around 1500. Around 1500, okay? And today we are around 150. So what I see is 10x, okay? For Monero and 10x. So today we are looking kind of extreme coins, okay? This kind of extreme coin because Monero, Ravencoin, you know, Zen, Digibyte, it's not in my book. They kind of extreme, but I want to give you the view, you know, what is the view on this. So 10x easy, right, guys? Because Monero, we can see, if, you know, Monero people assume it's one of the best on the level of Bitcoin, you know. Even, you know, BCH, it's, you know, Zcash, it's a best privacy coin. So it may go crazy, right? People like privacy last days. Okay, 10x, this is what, you know, the trend is show us. Again, we are doing trend and we are doing end of 2023. And we are doing comparison between price today in 150 and price, possible price in 2023 when bull market will start, 10x. Okay, next, again, there is no hard wallet, big problem, okay? So again, Ravencoin. Ravencoin give us already nice move from, it was like almost 3 cents, guys. Oh, sorry, almost 30 cents, you see? It was 30 cents, right? Look here, 30 cents. And then it fell right today, or 3 cents almost, right? 0.20, so 3. It fell like 15x already, 15x. But if it recover, and this is the trend, right? We see the trend. And if it recover, in the end of 2023, when probabilities that we will have a bull market, right? Because of Bitcoin halving, then we can see numbers like 50 cents, half dollar, guys. And if you compare 50 cents to today, 0.025 something, or 0.02, it's like 25x. It may be crazy. It may go crazy, you know. I'm not a fan of this Ravencoin because it has a low, very low. You look here, look on these numbers, right? If you look on these numbers, guys, Ravencoin, right? For example, it's a reported market cap, $250 million, okay? But what is the volume? Like 3 million. You see, there is no real volume. There is, and you know, $250 million, it's like all more like estimation, right? How they estimate this market cap? It's based on price today, but it's not really estimation how much this coin costs, okay? Because if price go up 10 times more today, it doesn't mean that this coin will cost $2-3 billion. It is just approximately, you know, estimation. So very low volume, very low market cap, you know. I'm not looking in less than $1 billion, you know, established, you know. Let's say Litecoin, it's almost $5.5 billion, right? That's established, you know. Okay, so yeah, but it has, you know, if you are more on gambling side, right? Again, also no cold wallet, right? So more on gambling side, then you can invest 25x possibilities. Okay, very, very nice. Okay, then we have Zen, what they call it, Horizon, right? It's a copy of Zcash, Horizon. Also very low, guys, Horizon, you know, all them, you know, what they have it, 135 million. 131 million. I know this company, or the company name. They hold Horizon. I forget the company name which hold Ethereum Classic. They hold Horizon, yeah. So it's telling me they also on the gambling side. But let's see. what this horizon can do. So it's, you know, the trend is not bad, right? You see it. Look on this trend. It is support line, and this is kind of trend. You see, it already has couple of touching points. Okay, it was very good. It went to, let's make a lines here, right? Let's make a lines. Like it went to like $60 in 2018, and this time it did even better, right? It even did even better. Look on it. It was like 140, $150, right? Recent bull run. Okay, so if you assume the same trend will go next time, so it will be doing much higher, you know, based on trend and based on this vertical line, you know, when bull market will start, you know. Here I make a point. Okay, I make a point for you. Oh, sorry. I make a point for you. This is a point, okay? And based on this point, between price what we have today, $10, and this point is 230, right? $230, you know? Then it can go as high as 23x, okay? Again, no cold wallet, okay? So it's kind of, you know, risky. When I see no cold wallet is a risky stuff, okay? You are not responsible. It may go 23x, and then, you know, you came to your online GUI and nothing there. Whom you can blame, okay? Who you can blame, okay? This is why I'm not fan of all this, you know, GUI coins. But 23x, you know, possibilities, okay? You know, you can take something from here. And then DigiByte, okay? And they asked me about DigiByte. So the trend of DigiByte is excellent. You see, this is DigiByte. It go as 2015, okay? It's, you know, one of the best trend. It's on a level of Ethereum Classic. So you see, it was, you know, over booming, you know, in 2017, right? This time, it was 2020, and it did almost, you know, it almost the same level. It went, okay, let's make points here. And I personally like DigiByte because you can store in a cold wallet. It's very important, guys. I cannot stress enough how important it is, okay? Because if you, you know, if you have a lot of gold in your house and you don't, you know, you don't lock it, right? Then everyone can come and take it. You know, what's the point of having some asset in your house if it's open doors, right? The same here. It's like an open door. Okay, so this, you see, it went to almost 0.2, almost 20 cents, right? It went. And today, what we see today, it's how much? DigiByte 007, 008. It's 8 cents, okay? So today DigiByte is 8 cents. But if you know, it will follow his trend, when bull market will start, we can see it as high as $1, guys. $1, okay? Let's compare $1, 8 cents, it's 12x, okay? So 12x, okay, based on possibility, not based on air, just based on trend and what is today and what trend will tell me where it will be in. If it will follow trend, it may go above trend, it may go below trend, right? So possibility is 12x, okay? So with all this, I show you guys for DigiByte 12x, for Horizon 23x, just crazy number, right? Maybe. For Ravencoin 25x, for XML, for Monero XMR 10x, okay? Very, you know, if you ask me, you better invest in Monero, because this is really a privacy coin. All this, it's more on the gambling side. But Monero, it has more chances to have this 10x in next bull run. It definitely has more chances. You know, and also it number 4. It's, you know, it's more than Ethereum Classic now. It's number 4 in a book, and almost 3 billion. So it's established project. Okay, you know, I suggest you. You know, it's not your financial advisor. I just can suggest, you know, what I am doing, sharing with you, right? If Monero has cold wallet, it's just no brain. But because no cold wallet, it's still a brain, okay? But you need to be, you know, have a high securities. You know what I mean? To be able to hold this coin, okay? So with all this, guys, I think you appreciate my time spending on you, okay, educating you, and also very interesting, you know, to see all these coins. And adios. Put your comments, like, subscribe, hit notification, and share. Bye bye.